Hi, I'm Anthony Garcia. I'm an attorney here in Tampa, Florida. I'm with the law firm Alvarez Garcia. The two most common questions that I get regarding the BP oil spill claim is number one, when is my claim going to be paid? And number two, what is policy 495 and what does it have to do with my claim? Well, let's talk about the first question. When is your claim going to be paid? A couple of variables to consider. First and foremost, will the Supreme Court hear this case? If the Supreme Court decides to hear this case, there will likely be an injunction put in place immediately preventing payments from happening. If the Supreme Court decides not to hear this case, then there's a very high likelihood that claims will continue to be paid as they are today. You have to consider where you are in the claims process. If you just filed, then there's a high likelihood that you're looking at 12 months to perhaps 14 months to be processed and paid. If, on the other hand, you're near the final stages, an accounting review or quality assurance review, you may have as little as 1 to 3 months before payment. Ask your counsel where you stand. As to policy 495, it gets a little tricky, but essentially this policy, which is court approved and essentially written by Patrick Jeannot, the claims administrator, attempts to match revenues with expenses. It's going to essentially do two things. It's going to prolong the time that it takes to process your claim, and it's likely going to reduce your claim value by about 20%. But the good news in all of this is that as long as BP appeals, there continues to be time to file a claim. As we stand today, there's at least 6 months remaining to file a proper claim. I'm Anthony Garcia, and we'll see you next time.